The double has allowed me to feel more present in the room. It also has made me be more responsible. You have the ability to grab somebody's attention, and you also can pay attention and be able to respond or acknowledge what they're saying. Webtrends globally has 4 offices. We have people in London, Seattle, Portland, and Australia. The double has really allowed us just to kind of bridge that gap, and even though Portland's only about 200 miles away, it feels like it's next door. For the first hour of my day, I'm attending multiple stand-ups. One of the things that we're finding with the doubles is it allows us to have more face-to-face contact during those meetings. Tracking these items is all done on a whiteboard, and actually being able to go to the whiteboard, look at it, zoom in, take screenshots, share, or even show something on your screen as you're in the stand-up. Having that two-way collaboration through the double and also on the whiteboard really has broken down any barriers that we used to have. I report to the VP of Engineering in Portland. Having that connection with your boss is important, and yet I am in a different location.
The best way we communicate is face-to-face. I think that had been a challenge with us as far as Pete being based in Seattle and me being based here. Since we brought the double onto this scene, it's made things a lot easier.
My double that I use all the time sits outside of his office, and I just roll in and talk to him.
Partly it's impacted his need to travel down here on a frequent basis, but I would say even more than that, it's really just improved the level of connectivity that he has with myself as well as with the engineers that are on the floor here.
Prior to the double, I would have to go to the Portland office about every 2 weeks. Now it's turned out to be about once a month. The double has allowed us to reduce our travel costs.
When you kind of looked at the total cost and what was involved, it was a fairly low risk. I would say within the first couple of days, it was pretty apparent that it was going to make a difference.
We have remote employees that are engineers that actually work with me that aren't even in any office. They work from home in other locations around the world. And there's an aspect of having human contact which is required in a daily job. Wherein that contact can't be physically had, the double is as close as you can get to it.
It sort of gives you that dynamic of, having folks looking over each other's shoulders to work a problem together in real time. It affords that with the ability to zoom, with the ability to pivot, raise up and down.
You can actually go to the person that you're working with and have a design session right there at their desk. Having that contact, that one-on-one approach to solving a problem really allows you to be more efficient in your job, and it really allows us also to create more of a personal connection.
After a certain point in time, you do kind of lose track of the fact that he's on an electronic device, right? That it feels more like he's in the room with you.